Let's make paprika chicken goulash. This recipe is for you. It's the mid of January. Everyone's trying to be on budget and healthy at the same time. So this recipe is the right recipe for you. So start off by softening your carrots, celeries, peppers and onions with some oil until they're softened. After that, add your garlic and mushroom and cook for another 15 minutes. Once it's all cooked and softened, take it away from the pan, add a bit more oil and then cook your chicken breast with some flour until they're brown. Once they're brown, add your 7 spice and paprika, then mix. After that, season to taste, add 1 can of chopped tomato, half of that can of boiling water, and then add some chicken stock and let it simmer on a medium heat for a good 30 minutes. After that, start off with your pasta. Now here you can have pasta, couscous, rice, anything you like, but I want this recipe to last me for a good few days, so I cut my pasta in half, added some salt and then some boiling water, and then once it's cooked, I mixed it up with the chicken goulash, and here you have it. A healthy meal that's not gonna break the bank, super easy to make, and you can actually batch make it, ready to take it to work and heat it up and eat it as you go. Full printable recipe is going to be on my website. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.